Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on coordinates in Minecraft so you can easily track your location and find your way around the world. Let's get started. If you're playing on Java Edition, turning on coordinates is super easy. Just press the F3 key on your keyboard and the debug screen will open. You'll see your coordinates listed as X stands for east or west, Y stands for height or elevation, Z stands for north or south. Press F3 again to close it. These coordinates help you find diamonds, your base, or specific biomes. If you're playing Bedrock Edition, here's how to enable coordinates. Open your world settings. Scroll down and toggle on Show Coordinates. Load into your world and you'll see your XYZ on the top left corner of the screen. No commands needed, just toggle it on. Once you know your position, you can use commands like /TP at P164-100 or /locate biome Minecraft: desert. This makes it easier to teleport or explore the world. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on coordinates in Minecraft on both Java and Bedrock. If this helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.